Greetings from sunny Thailand. We wish you a belated Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. We hope that your dream of owning an apartment by the warm sea comes true as soon as possible. And on our part, we will do everything possible to make that happen. And today, February 9th, 2026, we are next to the construction site of our 12th project, Siam Oriental Oasis. The project is progressing according to schedule, and as of today, the following stages have been completed. Piling and foundation work have been completed 100% in all buildings. The installation of the water tank is 80% complete in Building A and 35% complete in Building B. The underground floor is finished in Building A. In Building A, it is 80% complete, in Building B, 75%, and in Building C, 100%. The construction of retaining walls is finished in Building A. In Building A, it is 50% complete, in Building B, 65%, and in Building C, 100%. The first floor slab in Building C is 60% complete. Thank you for keeping up with our updates and the development of Siam Oriental's projects. If you have any questions or if you are considering purchasing real estate in Pattaya, feel free to contact us through any messenger convenient for you, and we will be happy to assist you.